Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The Cloud Functions 3 Ways Challenge Lab on Qwiklabs, arc104, typically involves deploying and managing Google Cloud Functions using 3 different methods: the Google Cloud Console, the Cloud Command Line tool, and deployment via cloud source repositories. Below is an informative tutorial that outlines these methods along with code examples. Overview of Google Cloud Functions. Google Cloud Functions is a serverless execution environment that allows you to run code in response to events. It supports various languages, including node.js, Python, and Go. The beauty of Cloud Functions is that you don't have to manage servers or runtime environments. You can focus on writing your code. Prerequisites. 1. Google Cloud account. Make sure you have a Google Cloud account and billing is enabled. 2. Google Cloud SDK. Install the Google Cloud SDK on your local machine if you're using the command line. 3. Qwiklabs access. If you are taking a Qwiklabs lab, ensure you have access to it. Method 1. Deploying with Google Cloud Console. 1. Navigate to Cloud Functions. Go to the Google Cloud Console. In the left-hand menu, select Cloud Functions. 2. Create a function. Click on Create Function. Fill out the required fields. Name. Give your function a name, example Hello World. Region. Choose a suitable region. Trigger. Select an HTTP trigger for this example. 3. Function code. Choose the runtime, example node.js 14. In the inline editor, add the following code. 4. Deploy the function. Click on Deploy. Once deployed, you will receive a URL to trigger the function. Method 2, deploying with Cloud Command Line tool. 1. Set up Cloud. Open your terminal. Authenticate with your Google Cloud account. 2. Set your project. Set your current project. 3. Create the function. Create a directory for your function. 4. Create index.js. Inside the directory, create a file named index.js with the following content. 5. Deploy the function. Run the following command to deploy. 6. Access the function. After deployment, you'll receive a URL to access your function. Method 3, deploying from cloud source repositories. 1. Create a cloud source repository. Go to the Google Cloud Console. Navigate to Source Repositories and create a new repository. 2. Clone the repository. Clone the repository to your local machine. 3. Add function code. Create an index.js file with the same code as before. 4. Create package.json. Create a package.json file to specify the dependencies. 5. Push the code. Commit and push your changes to the repository. 6. Deploy the function. Use the following command to deploy the function from the cloud source repository. Testing your functions. After deploying your function through any of the methods, you can test it by opening the provided URL in your web browser or using a tool like curl. Conclusion. By following the steps above, you can successfully deploy Google Cloud Functions using 3 different methods: the Google Cloud Console, the Cloud Command Line tool, and cloud source repositories. Each method has its own advantages, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. Feel free to explore more complex functionalities, such as integrating with other Google Cloud services, handling different types of events, and managing environment variables.